How to set up Zelle with Citizen Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to have a Citizen Bank checking or savings account that is eligible for Zelle. You also need a mobile device with internet access and a US mobile phone number. First, open the Citizen Bank mobile banking app and log into your account. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon and select Zelle. If you do not see Zelle, you may need to tap the More Options button to find it. Next, you will need to enroll in Zelle by following the prompts on the screen. You will be asked to review and accept the terms of service. Then enter your US mobile phone number and email address. You will receive a verification code that you must enter to complete the enrollment process. After you have enrolled in Zelle, you can start sending and receiving money. To send money, tap the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's US mobile phone number or email address. You can also add the recipient as a contact for future transactions. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details and tap Send. To receive money, the sender must have your US mobile phone number or email address enrolled with Zelle. You will receive a notification when the money is sent, and it will be deposited directly into your Citizen Bank account. You can also request money from someone by tapping the Request Money tab and entering their US mobile phone number or email address. It is essential to keep your Zelle account and Citizen Bank account information secure by using strong passwords and keeping your mobile device and computer up to date with the latest security software. You should also only send money to people you know and trust. And be cautious of scams and phishing attempts. In conclusion, setting up Zelle with Citizen Bank is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the prompts on the screen and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle today.